What's good, crypto? I'm your host Marvin, here to bring you a daily scoop on everything that's going on in crypto. And as you may know, China has banned Bitcoin for like the 30th time this year. Like, it's insane. It's insane. We're going to dive into it. Should you be concerned? Is this a big deal, or is this just the start? Is this a bullish indicator, as I actually think it is? So we're going to talk about this, and we're going to take a look at the charts, but we're going to just dive into some tweets. I thought this was hilarious. Crypto Twitter, when they hear China banned Bitcoin again, just dump on us for pizza's sake. Somebody just smashing their head off their desktop. I think that's how we all feel at this point with China and the China FUD, with Evergrande and everything else going on. Like, it was just like the icing on the cake. It was exactly what we were missing before we go to all-time highs. But remember, so we're going to talk about all this, but Monday through Friday, we come here to educate ourselves when it comes to investing in crypto to make life-changing wealth. None of this is financial advice, just my opinions, and it's just pure entertainment. I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure to do your own due diligence and research, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Media by Marvin, where you can find all these fantastic tweets, my engagements, all my retweets and things like that, so you can stay up to date with what's going on in the market. The Wolf of Wall Street's also tweeted this. Do you remember the fake China news in September? Every year they come out as pretenders, but we're chasing the FUD away. I can't wait for October. I can't wait for September to be over. September is historically a really bad month for stocks and crypto. Bitcoin has had a pretty rough go at it this month, but I do think this might be the end of all the news. Like, if you think about it, what other things can they throw at us? We had the Evergrande, the Cascade liquidations, now China FUD. Man, I think this is it. Like, this is the end of the FUD, hopefully. Crypto Kaleo tweeted this too. China, we're banning Bitcoin. The world again? China, for real this time. The world again? China, no, we're for real this time. World, you said that last time. China, pinky promise this time is legit. World, oh shit, I think they're being serious this time. Again, this is not the first time China has talked about a crackdown on Bitcoin. You know, we had the China kicking out all the mining from China in May. Then we also had the FUD about them stopping all kind of transactions of crypto happening in China, and now they're banning crypto again. So I haven't been to Bitcoin this long, or I haven't been in crypto super long. This is my first year, but I think this is the fourth or fifth time I've heard this year, in just this year, that I've heard crypto and Bitcoin have been banned from China. Just to give you some context, I'm gonna drink some coffee because, man, I'm tired of this bullshit. Let's continue. Lil Moon Lambo actually shared this tweet. China banning Bitcoin is literally a bullish event. You can see that they've banned Bitcoin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 7 or 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They banned it on December 15th, 2013. The Bitcoin was $1,153, and it has increased ever since then. Then it was banned again September 11th, 2017. The price was $4,122. Its price move since then has been 941%, annualized 78.6%. February 5th, 2018, it was 8,271, moved up since then 419%, annualized 57.3, and as you can see, it continues to increase. So I do think it's pretty funny that we see this happen all the time, and every single time Bitcoin gets dunked on like this with China banning it, we just see Bitcoin get stronger and stronger. And I actually tweeted this as well. China banning Bitcoin is probably a bullish indicator that the FUD has officially run out. Typically, when we hear about China banning Bitcoin, it's usually like at the end of all the FUD. You know, we've had so much FUD over the last couple of weeks regarding, you know, SEC regulating crypto, the Evergrande, the liquidations, the cascading effect, and then China. It's just been ongoing, and I think this is literally it. Like, they have nothing else but China FUD. Like, just another thing to just kind of bring it down as much as possible. And then you have the BBC reporting it too. China declares all cryptocurrency transactions illegal. We've known this. This is not new. Trading cryptocurrency has officially been banned in China since 2019. So nothing new. Literally none of this is new. If you are shaken by this and you are new to the market, yeah, you probably are panicking, selling. But this is nothing new. This is literally just another day in crypto. I'm keeping calm. I bought more Bitcoin this morning. I was like 41,000. Throw an extra couple $100 in there. Why not? Just adding to my stack of sats. You want to stack sats while it's cheap, and I think these are the last couple of days you'll be able to get crypto at good price points. There's a lot of good deals out right now if you're interested, if you got the cojones to buy. Right now the crypto fear and greed index is at 33, higher than yesterday's 27. In context, last month we were at 73. So all in all, people are still kind of fearish. Good times to buy. Not as good as when Bitcoin was at 39,000 just a couple of days ago. But you know what? 41,000, not a bad place to put in some entries, to be honest. TBH. Looking at the crypto market, let's take a look at this. We can see Bitcoin is at 41,880. I think it dipped down a little bit below 41,000. I'm gonna drink more coffee. I'm so tired. You guys ever have those days? It's a rainy day in Boston. Ethereum at 2,863 took a really rough hit. It was like at 3,100. So Bitcoin down 5%, Ethereum down 8%. Surprisingly, Cardano holding very well, only down 1%. But I think this is probably because of the excitement of the Cardano Summit event happening this weekend, which would be really exciting. I'm excited to see some good news. Damn, Binance Coin getting pulverized. It's been being so hard, down 8%. XRP down 7%. Solana down 7%. Everything took a decent hit. Polkadot not so bad, down 4%. So I'm still up, which is great. Avalanche not really caring about anything, just continuing to make new just making new highs. Algorand down 8%, down 10% on the week. So if you're interested in buying Algorand, that's not bad. Chainlink at $22, Uniswap under $20. That is quite unfortunate. Uniswap has had it pretty rough. It was just at $30, so it's down like 33% right now. So not bad for deals right now. Uniswap is doing not so hot, but a good coin to buy. It's a very, very, very popular, probably one of the most popular dexes. It's an ERC20 token, so it's built off Uniswap, off Ethereum. So if you're interested, Uniswap under $20, not that bad. I think at the peak of the bear correction this summer, I think it was like down to $14 or $13, something like that. So $19, not that bad. Chainlink still hovering at $22, but yeah, you can see that there's a lot of red in the market. VeChain back under 10 cents, that's a good buy. PancakeSwap under $20. But as you can see, there's a lot of really good buys happening right now. Let's see if there's anything up at the moment. Ren is up 22%. There's some green, but not a lot. Terra barely up, but for the most part everything is down. I'm scared to look at the losers. Harmony is holding very well, at almost 14 cents. It peaked out at 21 cents, I believe, but it had a really, really good run yesterday. Down 10% on the week, but Harmony proving to be a very strong coin. Some intense losers right now. We almost have 20% on HIT token or HT token, Hubi, OKB down 16%, Filecoin down 14%. And as you go down, you can see Uniswap. It's one of my coins too that I love. Down, PancakeSwap, AMP, boy, yeah. Today is a good day to DCA. Chili's at 27 cents or 26 cents. Wow. So again, if you're interested in buying some altcoins, today is not a bad day. And the global market cap at 1.87 trillion. So let's take a look at Bitcoin. Some interesting stuff developing. And honestly, I'm pretty proud of Bitcoin, to be honest. Today's FUD brought to you by China. Last night, we actually hit $45,000. It was nice. It was nice when we did hit $45,000. Let's see how long that lasted. It lasted all of 1 hour, basically. When I was going to bed, I think we were like down to 44,300, 44,400. And then we like jumped all the way up this morning around 7 a.m. or I'm trying to think. Probably midnight last night we were around 45,300, and then we got slapped in the face by China FUD. This morning, sorry, my phone is blowing up. Right now we're at 42,219. So we see Bitcoin recovering decently well. We have this omega red candle bringing us down all the way down. But what I will say is, if you take a look on the 4-hour chart, just for Pete's sake, we are developing higher lows. So that is a pretty good indicator. The fact that Bitcoin is continuing to not get lower than 39,000, not get below 40,000 really. We wicked down to 40,600, but we didn't go down to the low 40,000s or 39,000. Bitcoin rebounded pretty quickly. And you know what? This FUD could just go away as retailers get smarter and smarter and realize that these are just whalish games and games played by China. Like, this is nothing new. It's not like we wicked down 20% or 30%. We went down 10% and we've recovered a decent amount. We're at 42,161. So we're only really down about 6% on the day. And I mean, we still have the rest of the day to go, but if we're able to close over $43,000, or even if we're able to get closer to like $44,000 today and recuperate some of that is lost, because right now we have American markets opening up, people buying. It'll be interesting to see what Asia does around 4 p.m. But we can see that we're recovering pretty well. We got this nice wick. But if we're able to close higher or close around 44,000, developing a hammer candle, kind of just to say like, hey, bears try to push it down. I believe today's the last Friday of the month, so I believe options and futures, one of those two expire today. So it'll be interesting to see how the market plays out today. But right now, Bitcoin at 42,000. I really want to see Bitcoin recover, but it's good to see Bitcoin not get lower. It could have been worse. It could have been way, way worse, honestly, with Bitcoin. But we're at 42,000, which is good. We did not develop a lower low. We rebounded nicely. So I think this could be really, really good for Bitcoin. Demonstrating strength from the bulls, saying that, there is interest in buying at those levels. And if we pull up on the weekly, we still have 2 days before Sunday. It'll be interesting to see how this weekend plays out. I would love to see Bitcoin close over $44,000 by Sunday. But we'll see. We still have the rest of today and the weekend. Weekends have been proven to be pretty volatile. It's usually quiet, but we've seen some decent price action on the weekend. So maybe we see some price action coming up on the weekend. We can see Bitcoin closing up pretty well. So we'll see. But right now, not too concerned. If anything, this is a good time to buy up some cheap altcoins and DCA, just DCA. But I think with the adoption of Twitter, adopting Bitcoin, as a form of paying other artists and creatives on Twitter, and as we continue to see more country adoption, the fundamentals of Bitcoin have never been stronger. So I'm personally not concerned. Let me know what you guys are doing in terms of the market. What are you guys buying? Are you scooping? Are you just sitting? Just taking a look at what the market is doing. But we'll take a look on Monday and see how things play out. But thank you so much for watching, everybody. If you're a hodler, if you are holding Bitcoin for the long term, I'm not concerned. I'm not shaking out. A 4%, 5% dip is really nothing compared to what we've seen before. It's not like we went down 20%. And again, this is not the first time Bitcoin has really ever been, this is not the first time we've had China FUD, especially with Bitcoin being banned. So stay strong, buy the dip. See you guys on Monday. And we're a week out from October. So hopefully October treats us very, very well, and all this dip buying treats us very, very well. Peace out, everyone. Have a great day. Stay well.